And we are back. This time I'm going to show you an offset text effect in Illustrator. Let us start with the type tool. I simply use the text offset. And I decided holding Shift and O. The font doesn't really play a role. We will just use Movie Pro. But maybe we'll increase the distance between the letters to 100. It should be fine. Right click, create outlines. Now we'll center it properly. Now we will copy it, Ctrl C and paste it back, Ctrl B. Then go to Effect, Path and Offset Path, click on Preview, and you see what's happening. We'll create a 10 pixel offset. You can increase the size over here. I just did that. And let me undo that. We only want to have 10 pixels. And we can change the joins, but we want to have Mitte. Just keep the Mitte limit to 4 and click on OK. Don't deselect anything, just change the fill color to white so it's still there in the background. Then once more, Ctrl C, Ctrl B to copy and paste in the back. Then once more, Effect, Path, Offset Path, 10 pixels, OK, and we'll change that to black. Now we can add layer upon layer of this offset path with the same method. Always make sure that you have the text in front selected. Just press Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl B to paste it back, and then go to Effect, Path, Offset Path and add 10 pixels offset. But at some point the effect doesn't look good anymore. As you can see here, when you want to get rid of the black, make sure to get rid of the white beneath it as well, as there is another white. So I think that looks good with two offset layers, once in white, once in black, and the original text in black. And this is how you can create this offset text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.